Guys, today I'm in the backyard, and I know this looks like a piece of just modern art, but no, it's actually a backyard movie screen, and I built the whole thing for under $100. It's my daughter's 12th birthday today, and we've got a backyard movie night coming up tonight, so I figured that it was the perfect excuse for me to tell you about one of my favorite DIY projects. If you've seen this channel before, you've probably recognized this space. This is where I do my daily cold plunge every morning. But we love this area underneath our deck, and we wanted to turn it into a spot for fun outdoor movie nights as a family or with friends. Now sure, I could have just bought one of those pull-down, boring projector screens, but this is a DIY channel. I wanted something permanent. I wanted something that looked good always as a permanent fixture in this space. So I decided to build something that could double as both artwork and movie night. So this starts off with one sheet of 1/2-inch plywood cut to about a 6-foot wide screen. You add in some trim pieces for the frame. I just painted those trim pieces black with spray paint to give it a clean, finished look. Once everything was dry, I centered that trim and the plywood in that frame, and then I used wood glue, some pilot holes, and some screws to lock it in together super strong. And at this point, it already looked pretty good. It was just a big white finished piece. But I didn't just want a projector screen. I wanted something that would actually look like real art in the backyard that I could display full time. So I actually love to paint. I'm a painter, and I've done a bunch of paintings. But this is the easiest and most fun painting that I have ever done, because I didn't do any of the work. So I just hung a can of paint that we already had. I drilled a hole in the bottom, a hole in the top, hung it from my garage ceiling, I pushed it, and I just let that thing swing. I definitely messed up a little bit at the beginning, you can see it down there, but honestly, I think that just made it have some character and made it a little bit better. So now it just looks like backyard modern art, until you do this. To hang it, I used these heavy-duty eyelets through the frame and through the plywood, and then I mounted that into the structure just behind the stucco into my OSB on 5 6-inch lag bolts. I sealed everything up with caulking so that it's weather tight and nice, and just like that, this becomes a projector screen. I hang my projector from a beam in our deck, I plug in a Roku streaming stick, I connect a Bluetooth speaker, and all of a sudden, we've got a full outdoor movie theater. This is one of those projects that we actually use all the time. Every summer, the kids invite some friends over, we invite family over, and when we're done, well, it just disappears. I just flip it right back, it turns back into artwork, and it just blends right back into our space. Here's a quick cost breakdown. The plywood was about $50. The trim was about $20. Spray paint, glue, hardware, that's probably another $20. And everything else I already had. So all in, we're right around $90. So for under $100, zero wasted space, and a backyard movie night whenever you want it. Guys, if you want to build one of these things, I will link to everything in the description below. I'm Derek. This channel is DIY Derek. I post new projects every week from my own home. If this gave you an idea, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.